In this set of problems, we're going to be converting from logarithmic form to exponential form, and then from exponential form to logarithmic form. And to do so, we need to know this fact that logarithms are exponents. That's what logarithms are. They are exponents. So if I write something like this, say b to the a is equal to x. Now this is exponential form. So what I have in this exponential form is that I have a base, b, the exponent is a, and that's all equal to x. So the base is b, a is the exponent, and the exponents and logarithms are the same thing. So when I convert this to logarithmic form, I'm going to get this. I'm going to say the log, and what's the base here? The base is b, so I'm going to write that b down here as a base of x is a, because the logarithm, base b, of this number x is a, the exponent. The logarithm is the exponent. So this form here, b to the a equals x, converts to the log, and then you write the base, and that's equal to a, the exponent. Now, in a logarithm, if the base is e of x, we write that like this. That is equivalent to just writing ln x. So when you see ln x, you want to think log base e. So if I write this form, t equals ln a, now I'm just picking different letters, but if t is equal to ln a, really what I'm kind of thinking is t is equal to the log base e of a, and then how can you convert this to exponential form? Well, we know this. We know that the logarithm is the exponent. The logarithm is the exponent. And exponents go on bases, and the base over here is e. So I'm going to write e to the t is equal to a. Let's just run through it again. So if I have this expression here, t is equal to the natural log of a. Natural log I see in my head as log base e. And then I've got it like this. The logarithm is the exponent. The logarithm is the exponent. So the exponent is t, exponents go on bases, and the base here is e. So I would write e to the exponent, e to the t, and that's equal to that a. Now likewise, if I'm given this exponential, I can convert it to this logarithmic statement. So I'm going to put another arrowhead on here. This goes both ways. So if I'm given an exponential, I can convert it to a logarithm, and I know this. Everything comes back to this. Logarithms are exponents. So when I see this, I'm thinking, okay, the exponent here is t, so that's the logarithm, and the base is e. So I would write, okay, the logarithm is the exponent, so t is the exponent, t is the logarithm, t is the exponent, t is the logarithm, logarithms are exponents. The base here is e, so I put the e down here, of a. Logarithms are exponents. The exponent is t, so the logarithm must be t. Now, number one, I'm going to convert this exponential form to a logarithmic form, and I know logarithms are exponents. So 12x is the exponent. So I know that then the logarithm, okay, the logarithm, base e, right? The base here is e, so the logarithm base e, I'll leave a blank here, is 12x. So far I've got this. The logarithm, base e, of something is 12x. The logarithm is the exponent. And what's left here is the a. So the a goes right in there. And because I've got the log base e, I'm going to rewrite it as ln a equals 12x. Or if you like to make it even more clear, although I think it's perfectly clear, you could put parentheses around that a, 12x. So either one of those are going to work. Let's convert this expression here, number 2, to a logarithmic form, right? It's exponential now. And I'm going to do it by reading this. The logarithms are exponents. So the logarithm is the exponent. So I'm going to write that. I'm going to say the logarithm, base e, right? Because that's our base. The logarithm is, leave a blank, the exponent. The exponent is negative 5k plus 8. So I've got this so far. The logarithm, base e, is the exponent. And what's left here is the x. So the logarithm, base e, of x is negative 5.k, but because I have the log base e, I'll write that using that other notation. Natural log of x is equal to negative 5k plus 8, or if you want to put parentheses around that x, that works too. natural log of x is negative 5k plus 8. And now we're going to go the opposite direction. We're given a log statement. I want to convert it to exponentials. Well, here's what I know. The logarithm is the exponent. So the logarithm is the exponent. The exponent is k. K goes on a base. Now we're writing ln. So in our heads, we might be saying this as k equals log base e of 10. Then it's explicit. The logarithm is the exponent. Exponents go on bases, so I'm going to have e to the k. So I'll write this as e to the k, and that must be that 10.